Namaste and welcome to Sonali Joshi's astrology channel. In this video, we are going to see what type of rituals we can do during Pitru Paksha or during the 15 days that are dedicated for ancestors. After the Ganesh Visarjan is done and the Pratipada starts, those 15 days till the Amavasya before Navratri are known as Pitru Paksha. These are the days where usually the Shraddha rituals are done for our ancestors. If you are away from India, related to doing those religious things are not available, then in that case, watch this video and do the things that will give you similar outcome like it will be done after Shraddha. All of you can do Tarpan in your homes. Second thing you can do is anybody who comes at the door, don't say no, but rather make sure you offer some food, offer some caring words to that person. Make it a point to donate something to either to temple, to any charity or non-profit that you have faith in. If you are somebody who believes in stopping abuse of pets, make sure you donate there. You can also set aside small amount of yogurt rice, dahi bhat, outside, maybe in your balcony or maybe in your backyard, and pray to your ancestors, seek their blessings and pray for their Sadgati. Thank your ancestors because you are alive because of them. Whatever you have is due to their favors, their hard work. Please acknowledge that. If you have Ketu in the Lagna, it usually denotes rebirth in the similar lineage. Those of you who have Rahu Ketu in the Lagna, also make sure that they do these things so that your ancestors are remembered and they get the Sadgati. Those of you who have Rahu and Ketu in the 4 and 10 axis, they should also remember to acknowledge their ancestors' efforts, thank them and pray for their Sadgati. If you are Rahu in the 10th house, you are here to complete the work of your ancestors. So make sure whatever job you are doing, try to do something that some of your forefathers did. Obviously, they were not doing IT programming or they were not managers in global companies, but maybe they did something that you can do in some form and help others. Donating to non-profits, helping anybody, giving something to any living being, maybe it's a bird or cat or a dog that is coming in your house, your door or your property, make sure you give them something. In Hindu religion, we have a belief that ancestors visit you during these 15 days and they fulfill some of their wishes through you. If you dream something on these lines, believe in that dream, think positively and help someone. Hope this video gives you an idea about doing something for your ancestors. If you have an ancestral home, renovate it, visit it if you can. Draw your family tree. If you have dominant Magha Nakshatra, Mula Nakshatra or Nakshatras of planet Ketu, then always you will recollect something about your ancestors. Spend some time discussing the time that you spent with your grandfathers, discussing the time you spent with your grandparents or great-grandparents if you are lucky enough. Tell those stories to your friends or your kids and share their love. Namaste. Thank you. Shubhamastu. I am not doing any horoscope readings in these 15 days, but I'll resume them once the Navratri starts. However, with a volume of readings, if you are submitting your horoscope for reading now. It may take few more months. I just want to make it clear here. If I have not read your email, probably I am not going to get back to you immediately. Thank you for understanding. Share this video with your friends who would like to know something about rituals related to Pitru Paksha. Usually rice pudding, rice kheer is made in every household on this occasion on any day. Every day is marked for a particular Shraddha. If you cannot follow each and every day, at least do something on the last day, that is Sarva Pitri Amavasya. If you know what your grandparents liked, if you know what, if your parents are no more, what they used to like, make those dishes, make that food and share it with your family. Remember your ancestors and pray for Sadgati of your ancestors.